So do you know what today is? Because today is a very special day.
No, I don't. What is so special about today other than it's a Friday?
Of nothing, I guessed you it would be just another Friday.
Well, okay, I guess. But now I'm really... But wait. What is that?
It looks like some sort of note.
I wonder what it says. Let's take a look.
Dear friends, I have a surprise for you. You will be given 5 clues and 4 math problems to solve. Each math problem will give you a location. The math problem will be over the volume and surface area of a sphere. On the last clue, you will be given a surprise. If you accept the challenge, your first key location will be at the hospital. See you there!
This is awesome. You said you were bored. Now we can actually do something fun.
Sorry, but I can't go. Maybe next time. I have made other plans.
What do you mean you have made other plans? This is more than just a regular Friday. Whatever, I will go and have fun by myself. I am sorry to interrupt, but can you point me in the right direction?
It is all right, miss. You are in the right place. And don't mind the patient, they are under for surgery.
Well, okay if you say so. But the note I have here says that I am supposed to meet someone here to get the next clue or something to go to the next location.
Well, miss, I am the person you are supposed to meet. My name is Dr. J. And you misread the note. It said you will have to solve a spherical math problem to get the next clue and location. Are you up to the math problem, miss?
Oh right, I remember now. What is it?
Well, you see, since you're just starting out and we are in the hospital, you will need to find the surface area and volume for this spherical knee replacement for my patient here. Take a look at the problem.
So we have to find the surface area and the volume of a sphere, which is covered in 12.6. And the issues I had in 12.6 was keeping the formula straightened of the volume and surface area of a sphere. I was also at first confused by the vocabulary, so I decided to color coordinate the vocabulary words, and that's what I did here. The center is the set of all points in a space from a given point called the center of a sphere. And the radius is a segment from the center of the sphere to a point on the sphere, the distance from the center of the sphere to any point on the sphere. And the chord is a segment whose endpoints are on a sphere. And the diameter is a chord that contains the center of the sphere and the distance across the sphere through its center. And the surface area, the formula is 4 pi r squared and the volume is 4/3 BH. And theorem 12.11 says the surface area is S of the sphere, and the S equals 4 pi r squared, where r is the radius of the sphere. And in this diagram it shows a plane going through a sphere. And the great circle is, if a plane contains the center of a sphere, then the intersection of the great circle of a sphere. And the hemispheres is, every great circle of a sphere separates the sphere into 2 congruent halves called hemispheres. And for the formulas, I decided to always look on my formula chart. And so the surface area of a sphere, the formula is S equals 4 pi r squared, and the volume equals sphere 4/3 pi r cubed. And this is the problem, and I already did it, so I'm just going to show you how I did it. 8 is the radius, and so we're finding surface area first, and S equals 4 pi r squared is a surface area formula. So since 8 is the radius, I plug that in for r, and 8 squared is 64, so 64 times 4 is 256. So I multiplied that by pi, and I got approximately 804.25. And for the volume, the formula is 4/3 pi r cubed. So I plugged in the radius again, which is 8, and I cubed it, which is 512. And 4/3 is 1.34, so I multiplied those, and I got 686.08. And I multiplied that by pi, and I got approximately 2,155.38. And that's the answer to the first problem.
There you go, Dr. J. I am done. Did I get it right?
Yes, you did. You've got the correct surface area and volume of the sphere. Here is your next location.
Congratulations on completing your first math problem. Your next location will be at the mansion. Good luck.
Are you the person I am supposed to meet here?
Yes, I am.
So what's my math problem?
Whatever. Here is your math problem. I don't have time for this. Just find the diameter of the sphere.
So we're supposed to find the diameter, and the surface area that they give us is 182.25 pi. And the formula of the surface area is S equals 4 pi r squared. So you take 182.25 pi and you put it across from or equal to 4 pi r squared, and then you divide by 4 pi and you divide by 4 pi on the other side, and you get 45.5625 equals the radius squared. So you square root r and you square root 45.5625, and the radius equals 6.75. But to find the diameter, you have to multiply that by 2, so 2 times r. So 2 times r is 2 times 6.75, which is 13.5, and that's the diameter, and that's the answer to our problem.
Yay for you, I guess. Anyway, you got the question right, so here is your next location.
Way to go! Your next location is at the theater. On the stage, you'll be meeting Mr. Cool. Good luck!
Excuse me, but are you Mr. Cool?
Yes, I am. The one. The only. Mr. Cool.
Well, do you have my math problem?
Oh, that's what you want. Well, okay then, here you go.
Okay, so we're going to find the surface area of the outer sphere, and the diameter of the outer sphere is 12 feet. So we're going to take 12 and we're going to divide it by 2, which is 6 feet, because that's the radius. Then we're going to take the formula of the surface area, which is 4 pi r squared. And we're going to plug in 6 and square it, and then we're going to multiply that by 4, and you get 144. And then you multiply that by pi, and you get 452.39 feet squared.
Well, did I get it right?
I still cannot believe you are not a fan of Mr. Cool. But you did get the problem right, so here is your next location.
Good job. Your next location will be at the convenience store. You're almost done. Keep going.
Are you the person I am supposed to meet here?
Be quiet. I am on a stakeout. You see, I am a detective.
Oh, I am very sorry. So what are you staking out?
Sorry, ma'am, but that is top secret information. Here is your problem so you can go on your way.
So we have to find the volume of the solid, and to get that you have to have the volume of the cylinder minus the volume of the hemisphere. So what you pretty much get is pi r squared multiplied by h divided in half, and then you multiply parentheses 4/3 pi r cubed, because that is the volume of a sphere. Then you do plug the radius in, which is 2. So 2 squared times 2 minus 2/3 pi times 2 cubed. And when you multiply, you get 8 pi minus 2/3 multiplied by 8 pi again. And then you rewrite the fractions using the least common denominator. And you get 24 divided by 3 pi minus 16 divided by 3 pi, and which equals, once you simplify, 8 divided by 3 pi, and that approximately gets you 8.38 inches cubed.
So did I get it right?
Yes, ma'am, you got the question right. So here is your location. But let's hurry you along to get you out of danger.
Great job! Your next location is outside your house. Hurry there!
I wonder where the person I am supposed to meet is. I hope I'm not late. Wait, what is that? It looks like another note.
Since you have been doing so well, you do not have to do a math problem to get the next location. It's right inside your house. Go inside and get your surprise.
Surprise.
Wait, you knew about this the whole time.
Of course I did. Happy birthday. I knew it wasn't just a normal Friday. Your birthday party is in the next room.
Wow. I really thought you had forgot my birthday. I am so excited. Thank you for the best birthday ever.